Okay, so Walmart sells this Stevens 12 gauge, and it has a 28 gauge for less than 170 bucks. Let's see what we get. First off, you got your plastic. There's the shotgun. There's the barrel. Okay, let's set this up. So it does. I'm not sure what size shoe that is, but Stevens model 320 12 gauge, 2 3/4, 3-inch shells. Use earplugs. What you doing in there? Oh, hey. Sorry, got sidetracked. Pull this tag off. This is remove symbol. Alright, be right back. The back's got a nice good rubber on it. We'll find out when we shoot it how good it is. But the buttstock, like the curvature of it, seems to be well made. It's pretty heavy. Got the Stevens logo. But she seems like she's a well-built machine. I said we'll find out when she shoots. Remember, always be safe. Shotgun, 5 rounds. I just got back in from shooting it. The only thing I would change about this gun would be this. I mean, this got some weight behind it, and the recoil ain't that bad, but I would still try to upgrade that if I could. Trigger pull's good. You can get 5 rounds in here, 4 in the tube, 1 in the chamber. It does come with a plug, plunger, whatever you want to call it, rod, so you can only put 2, and then you have 1 in your chamber for dove hunting, turkey hunting. All around, it's a good gun. I couldn't tell you any flaws about it. It is, don't say what the length of it is, but I think it's like a 24-inch, 26-inch, somewhere on there. But yeah, that's my review on it. I would recommend it. I mean, for the price at Walmart, you can't beat it. Depends on where you're at and they carry it. Like I said, they do have it in 12 and 28 gauge. I did look this gun up before on Bud's gun shop, and it was like 200 and some change. So yeah, definitely recommend Walmart. And you can put them on layaway right now. So yeah, that's my thoughts on it.